There's a way to attract girls by being a bad boy that may feel a bit risky initially. But once you see that it works and that women actually like it, you'll most likely start to feel more comfortable with it. So what most guys do, if they meet a girl that they like, is they try to get along with her and they wait for her to show obvious signs of interest before they then feel comfortable to start flirting with her, to start showing some sexual interest, to start showing her that they want something more than just a friendly conversation, that they actually have sexual interest in her. So what happens is that it results in him appearing hesitant, timid, nervous, and self-doubting to most women. And those aren't traits that turn women on. Those aren't traits that attract women. Essentially, a guy like that is wanting to follow the woman's lead. If she shows me a lot of signs of interest, then I'll feel confident. Then I'll feel comfortable enough to start showing sexual interest in her. But prior to then, I've just got to talk to her in a friendly way, in a neutral way, in a platonic way, in a polite way, and just get along with her. Or some guys will be cool, right? They'll be talking to a woman in a cool type of way. They'll be a cool guy. But at the same time, they won't have the guts to start showing sexual interest in her. They are waiting for her to show that it's okay to do that before they then start to do it. Whereas a bad boy will flirt with a woman right away, and her attraction will switch on. She will be following his lead. It takes balls to do that, but once you see that it works and that women like it, they feel turned on by it, they prefer it, and it makes everything easier for you, you may then start to become more comfortable with it. And I say may because many guys have been brought up to treat women nicely. They've been told, be a friend first, take her out on some nice dates, don't expect sex, don't be talking about sex, don't be thinking about sex, naughty boy sort of thing. But the reality is that both men and women are sexual beings, and when you interact with a woman, you can turn her sexual attraction on right away. And when you do that, it creates sexual tension between you and her, and it's on. And bad boys are able to do that. And one of the ways that a bad boy will do that is he'll hold eye contact a little bit longer than usual, a little bit longer than needs to be, and he'll have a bit of a smirk on his face while he's doing it. Or he'll just have that subtle sexual vibe where he's holding eye contact with her, and it's just going a little bit longer than usual, than normally would happen. And she's feeling that tension, she's feeling that pressure. Whereas what she experiences with most guys is that they don't create any tension. They're afraid of the tension. They think it may seem a bit too forward if they're holding eye contact in that way. It may seem like they're being sleazy or something, or they're putting some pressure on her. They're making her feel uncomfortable. But women feel attracted to balls, to power, to strength, to a man who's not afraid of them, right? And it's not a case where a guy has to act like he's really tough or anything, but when a guy is not afraid of a woman, he'll be able to do that sort of thing, and she'll feel it. And it's something that turns women on. It's not something that turns a guy on. A guy's not looking for a woman who's really powerful and then he feels turned on. But when a woman senses that you have more power than her, more strength, you have some balls to you, it turns her on because women's attraction is different. So what women usually experience in terms of eye contact is the guy will be making eye contact and then he'll break eye contact because he doesn't want to make the woman feel uncomfortable. Or the guy will be nervously holding eye contact with her because he's thinking, geez, does this girl like me? Am I going to get her to like me? What's she think of me? And so on. And he's nervous. He sees her as more powerful, more valuable than him. Or she comes across guys who have that wide-eyed sort of, nice guy eye contact and interested. Or they're just wide-eyed because they're really keen and they're hoping to get a chance with her. She gets that all the time. She also comes across a lot of guys who are unable to maintain eye contact with her. So they'll be talking to her and they'll be looking away a lot, and they'll be afraid to hold the eye contact. And it's not something that turns a woman on. But when a bad boy, for example, starts interacting with her and he's able to hold eye contact a bit longer than usual, and he has a bit of a smirk if he's not talking. I'm in the middle of talking here, so it's a bit hard to do, but having that sort of eye contact with her, she knows that he's not afraid. She knows that he's communicating sexual interest. She knows that he's flirting with her. And it switches her attraction on immediately because he has the balls to do that. He has the confidence to do that. It makes her feel feminine in comparison to his masculinity. Now, it's important to point out that making eye contact in that way is not the only way that a bad boy can make eye contact with a woman a little longer than usual and make her feel attracted. He can also be making eye contact with her and just demonstrating his power, demonstrating that he doesn't see her as being more powerful than him. So she senses that strength coming from him rather than that wide-eyed type of guy talking to her, or just the polite, nice guy, or the guy who's afraid to make eye contact and so on. A bad boy can be making eye contact with her and he just feels so much more powerful than her. And that is attractive, right? So it doesn't have to be the sexual intent with flirting, but a bad boy will flirt with a woman right away and it turns women on right away. And it just gets rid of all the games. It gets rid of all the acting that goes on between men and women where they're just having this polite, friendly conversation. When you add in some flirting right away, the woman starts to feel attracted because you have the confidence to do that, the balls to do it. She starts to feel feminine. She starts to feel free to express some sexual interest in you in a subtle way. She sees you as a guy who gets it, who understands the subtle language of flirting. And it's on right away between you and women. You have this private understanding between you and the woman that you and her find each other attractive. And that's one of the reasons why bad boys get girls so quickly and easily, compared to other guys who are sitting down talking to a woman for hours, or hanging out with her and becoming a friend and so on. A bad boy just cuts to the chase, cuts through all the games, and just gets to triggering her sexual attraction. She awakens as a sexual being. She sees him as a sexual option, whether that's going to be a lover, boyfriend, or future husband. But she's looking at him in that way rather than looking at him as a typical guy who is afraid to show any sexual interest unless she gives him the green light for that, unless she starts to do it first. Now, it's important to point out that showing sexual interest in a woman is not done in a serious way. Flirting, when you look at the dictionary definition, is that you show sexual interest in a woman or romantic interest, but you do it in a playful way, in a non-serious way. So if a man's showing serious sexual interest in a woman, then that is different. It's not flirting. And most women will put their guard up with that, right? So if a guy comes over and he's being sleazy, he's looking at her, he's talking about her boobs, her butt, and wanting to have sex with her and so on, that's serious sexual interest. He's being very direct about it, but that's not what flirting is. For example, it can be quite subtle. Right? And an example of something that a bad boy would say to a woman to flirt with her, that she would see as having some balls to say, is that if she's telling an interesting story, he may say something like, "All right, that's interesting. I'm starting to like you a bit more now. Keep going." And the reason why women see it as the guy being a bit of a bad boy is that he's coming from the power position, where he's the selector, he's the chooser. He's starting to like her a bit more now. And the subcommunication that's going on with what he's saying is that she needs to impress him more. She needs to win him over. He's in the power position. And it's also flirting because he's showing romantic or sexual interest in her, but it's not in a serious way where he's saying, "Oh, wow, that's really interesting. I really like you now. I want to be your boyfriend," sort of thing. And it's very serious. Instead, he's just saying it in a bit of a playful, non-serious type of way where he's messing with her a bit by saying, "Ah, now that's interesting. I'm starting to like you a bit more now. Keep going." And she's going to laugh. She's going to feel attracted to that because he is seeing himself as the selector, as the chooser. And she's used to guys trying to be chosen by her. They're hoping that if they say all the right things and do all the right things around her, then she'll let them have a chance. She's the selector. She's the chooser. Most guys treat women in that way, as though the woman has all the power. But a bad boy takes the power for himself. It's like, "I'm the chooser. I'm the selector." Who said? I said. I said so. That's just how it is. And what happens in life is that when you start to behave in that way, people in general just tend to accept it. They just accept that you're the cooler one, you're the more powerful one, you're the more confident one. And when it comes to women, you're the more attractive one, you're the one with more value, and she's going to need to impress you. You're deciding whether or not you like her. And this is just one of the ways that bad boys attract women, without actually having to be a bad person or treat women badly. There are so many other subtle things that you can do that trigger a woman's sexual attraction and make her see you as a bit of a bad boy even though you're a good person, even though you are going to treat her well, you're still able to make her feel attracted in these type of ways, which don't require you to be a bad person. You're not a bad person by being the selector, by being the one in the power position. And it's just one of so many things that you can do to attract women. For me personally, I used to have no idea how to attract women. And I would talk to them and be trying to get along with them, and they weren't interested. But when I started to figure out how to attract women, that's when everything changed for me. Because women want a guy who makes them feel attracted. They want to feel that sexual attraction. They want to feel turned on by you. They want to feel like they would be lucky to become your girlfriend because other women want you too. And it doesn't require you to have loads of women in your life or have women competing to be your girl or anything like that. Instead, when you're able to attract women in these sorts of ways, they automatically assume and they know that other women would find you attractive, right? Because they know what is attractive in a man. They know that most guys aren't able to do these sorts of things. And they know how they're feeling when they're interacting with you, and that is excited. They're feeling sexually attracted, sexually turned on. They want something to happen. And for me personally, I enjoyed that power for over 10 years before settling down. And it's still something that I experience to this day, even though I'm not trying to pick up women. I've happily settled down. And it's something that guys all over the world who are learning from me in my community are experiencing as well. Right? So one of the things about attraction is that it doesn't change. The fundamental things that trigger attraction inside of women work all the time, all over the world, no matter what race the woman is. It's the same thing. It's a fundamental human instinct. And when you trigger it, the woman feels attracted to you. And by the way, if you want some more examples of how to flirt with a woman, I have a video for you that's free to watch. The link is in the description. All you need to do is put your name and email in and you'll get instant access to it. Check out the link in the description and watch that. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video here on YouTube.